I'm Dr. Shehz from Visionary Eye in Plano. So today is the day where I'm going to essentially ask my dad how his experience was when he went through something I think pretty impactful. About a month ago, he had his vision restored. He had cataract surgery. He had custom lens replacement. So he didn't have full-fledged cataract, just the hint of some cloudiness. Arguably even more impactful was that he had it done by me, his son. I've done thousands of surgeries at this point. That was without a doubt, hands down, the hardest surgery I've ever done. So I just wanted to take a moment and ask him, how's your experience? What did you feel about it? What are you thinking about it now?
Okay, so basically my experience with Visionary Eye, it has been great. Because like I said, this is the first time ever I have done surgery. So I'm glad that my son, Dr. Shehz, he did my surgery, and before the surgery, I was actually nervous, to be honest, but when I see him, when I've seen him doing surgery on patients and the reviews of the patients, and that made me more comfortable. And then again, he asked me to come and watch the surgery when he's doing it with the patient. And I went in and I saw, and he did a great job. So that made me even more comfortable. I gave him a chance to do the surgery, and he did a phenomenal job. Before, my right eye was blurry, and then after the surgery, I can see now clearly. It has been a great experience.
So when he came to me and we did all the tests, I recognized this. So what I did was I just treated his full astigmatism. Usually amblyopia is not reversible, but in his case, he went from best corrected vision from 2050, 2060 to 2025 in his weak eye. When did you start driving after surgery?
I had a surgery, and pretty much like next morning. When I came for post-op, next day morning, I was just driving.
That's pretty typical. Our patients just drive the next day to their post-op appointment. Let me tell you a little bit about the actual surgeries. And so sometimes you don't even really think about certain moves, right? Because it becomes muscle memory after a while. But with him, I was questioning every single step. Is this really how you make this incision? Are you sure? Even though I've done that thousands of times. I kept asking over in my head, is this where you want it? Is this where you want it? Is this how you want it? The thing that I took away from all of this is that if you really believe in what you do and you say that you want to take care of patients, you care for them like they're your family, then I think you should put your money where your mouth is, right? Do it for your family. I think that's the ultimate test. If you can show up to every surgery the exact same way, whether it's your dad's eye or any patient of mine, you should be able to confidently look in the mirror and say that I gave my best. So I think that was a very impactful thing that I took away from this entire process. Thank you for trusting me, honestly, helping me get to where I am. I wouldn't be here without you. Thank you.